Great, I'm live again. Okay, so a quick update on the trying to build out the customer care skill from not from scratch, but from scratch with notes and direction. Like I mentioned earlier, what I had done was take the customer care skill from the templates, try to make notes as best as I can, try to understand it, and then delete it and build it again. And so I just finished it, and I got to say it was a terrific exercise. If for nothing else than just giving you a few hours of actually physically typing your hands and actually getting some of that muscle memory in was great. But one of the a couple of actually unexpected surprises from this exercise were actually getting to use the interface and finding out that's how some of these things are laid out in the template example is not exactly intuitive how to get there, specifically when you're giving multiple responses. So I thought that was a great exercise. Also putting in the patterns and some of the entity variables. Overall, I think this approach worked. I got the chatbot working. I was able to ask it, a series of questions. And so step 2 for this is now going to be to fix a simple problem on there that I kept bugging out every time at the end of the conversation. It would ask for a phone number for the hold on reservations. I don't know if it's just requiring an outside application or there's an issue because I'm based in Toronto, but I don't think that we have the same phone system as America. And after that, the next thing will be is taking what is in there, deconstructing, again, well, basically looking at the deconstruction and then trying to transpose that and change it like maybe 30, 35, 40% from what its current structure is into something that has a little more context and relevance to the project that I'm trying to launch. So I will make updates as that comes along, but I got to say, so far, so good. The process is working out. Thanks, guys. Bye. Oh, Promptur.com.